Good Friday morning, everybody. Chris Allen with your first look weather for the September 26th. Good morning, everybody in Southern Kentucky. Taking a look, of course, at the weekend and what the weather will hold in store. Hopefully you'll get a little bit of rain because we're in desperate need of rain, starting to go way behind on September rainfall. So let's check First Alert Doppler Max HD. No rain to be found out there. Not going to see any today, and tomorrow looks like it will be dry, even much of Sunday, as you'll see coming up. As we look down Scottsville Road this morning, not seeing any fog, a mainly clear sky. There could be a few high clouds as we go through the morning. Pretty typical stuff, pretty much like you've seen all week long around here. Currently at 4 a.m., here are the Kentucky mesonet temperatures: 54 in Hardinsburg, 55 in Hartford and Greenville, 61 already in Hopkinsville. At this hour, 59 in Scottsville, 60 in Albany, 60 in Edmonton, 59 in Scottsville. All these numbers much warmer than they have been in previous mornings. Here's a look at the upper air. The GFS Global Forecast System 500 millibar. This is where we look at upper air patterns, and that ridge continues to be quite strong over the eastern half of the United States. We'll go the next 24 hours. You see the ridge is holding strong over the east. That means the flow here is going to be more out of the south, and that's going to try to transport some moisture into the Tennessee Valley. Unfortunately, there's not going to be enough to really put a dent in our deficit of rainfall. Here we are into Sunday. There's a bit of what we call an inverted trough that will be moving through the Ohio Valley. The Tennessee Valley may bring a chance of showers to the region, but it's not going to be enough to really make a big dent in the deficit. Monday, here's a little bit more of what we call an omega flow here. You've got a trough here, a ridge, and then just a slight trough, as you see in the east, but not enough to really make a big difference. But what we are watching here into Tuesday is that pretty significant storm that I've been talking about on the Pacific Northwest coast is going to make its way a little bit further east as we go through time. Here's Thursday morning. Look at that. That's a pretty deep trough that's going through the central part of the country. And with that will come some cooler weather, especially for the northern plains as we get into Friday of next week. And some of that cooler air may eventually work our way as we get into the latter half of next week. Precipitation chances, not much here. Sunday and Monday now just 30%, and then maybe a 20% chance by next Thursday. That's not much at all. Future Max predictor, a few more clouds maybe today mixing with the sunshine that we saw yesterday. Here's Saturday morning, still a few clouds around. No rain still showing up on the predictor here as we go into Sunday. Just a lot of cloud cover, not much in the way of rain. Sorry about that. It's just the rain chances just don't look that impressive here in Southern Kentucky, even through early Monday morning. 85 today. I think with the dry weather, we're going to get a few degrees warmer than yesterday. 84 Saturday, 80 with just that slight chance of a shower popping up Sunday, and again Monday, a little bit cooler, 76, then back into the 80s, mid-80s for much of next week with that chance of showers by next Thursday, which begins Roller Coaster, the yard sale that goes all the way up and down the Cordell Hall Highway. We'll talk more about that, of course, next week. In the meantime, have a great weekend. I'll see you live at 5:30 on AM Kentucky, streaming live to the WBKO app and to WBKO.com. Have a great day, and God bless.